I don't think the snowman's to scale.
I think he is. Choo choo! Look out for the snowman! Is it coming around again? Ooh, it's picking up speed. Here it comes! Choo choo!
The table's swaying. I'm not sure if you can actually see it in the camera.
And that's what Levittown would look like if a train ran through it and there was a giant snowstorm.
But unfortunately, the train runs through Hicksville.
It's true.
And it doesn't snow on Long Island very often.
Sure it does. Just as much as it snows here. Oh, it's gonna come one more time. Boy, this video is long. Choo choo! And the Southern Pacific, I don't believe, runs through Hicksville. Okay, bye.